Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Mrssa Premium Meghalaya.
Habakran halor ka MRSSA bantek lakam ya kejingwan rung kerthap ki beriau ki benabar ni kejela. Menteri rang ba kejela konrat kongkel sangma. Ulaong badan kaman ra da Kawei pat ka an ka bakhlan namar bah ka MRSSA ki don kat tu kat ni ki jirwat. Bat dena kata kadau ulaong ba ka Sorkar kadang ya phaliu jingmut bat ka tanat an jongka kumju ru bat ki riu champang lem bat ki Menteri Sorkar ki bla I hakakam kumju ru bat ki officer rang ba ban wan ra da Kawei pat ka an bat ya menta ulaong ba un empat tre ban keren AA Syapang kata Henry Unsakaran Kamhadian namar bagi kam kidang telun.
Regarding the issue of monitoring, I should say, checking was not the appropriate word right now, but monitoring the overall situation in terms of people coming into the state and going out of the state, it's a matter of obviously concern, keeping in mind so many factors, the things happening in Assam, things happening in Bangladesh. So if you look at the overall scenario, law and order scenario, then you have to. It's important for us to come up with a very strong mechanism. We had some challenges when it came to MRSSA. So therefore, based on the discussion we had with law department and other individuals, and of course our consultation within the official with the senior ministers as well as the officials, we are working on something. I think it'll be too.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu kisop ti tho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya kisop ti tho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata Kawei kisop ti kadai Kawei ke design tang naka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na maulai moro bat namot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra